There's so many great free ways to get exposure, especially from Google and other search engines. One of the easiest ones is Google My Business. You can go sign up for free, and what that does is it gets you immediately in front of customers within a very specific radius. Now, there's some pros and cons to that. Maybe not cons, but there are definitely some distinct advantages to Google My Business versus other national options for SEO. So Google My Business will get you in front of an audience that's within a couple mile radius of the location that you input. So it's very targeted. That's nice. Now, if you're doing a service-based business that's broader than that, or if you're a national brand, then you're unlikely to get a lot of exposure from that. You will get some exposure from the people that are within the immediate vicinity that you identify. For those local businesses that have a brick and mortar address, there's a huge opportunity to use Google My Business. Just go search it up. If you don't have a profile already, go through the verification process, set up your free account, and then start using it. Max it out, load pictures, add content, and there's all sorts of different tools that you can use. So get in there and see what's available and populate as much of it as you can, and then start posting to it consistently and watch your visitors increase. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot in today's video. Don't forget to like the video. That gives me feedback so I know what more topics to produce. What more topics is a phrase, right? Click the subscribe button and enable that little notification bell right there so you also know when I drop a new video.